All right, we're continuing along with our SMFR, self-myofascial release, and today we're going to be foam rolling the adductor. Now the adductor is a muscle that sits on the inside of the thigh. So what we have here is Dr. P set up in sideline position. She's going to have that foam roller placed underneath that adductor, and she is going to roll her body, rolling the hip basically to the floor, so that foam roller goes the length of that adductor muscle. Now what she's doing is she's going to foam roll for about 30 to 60 seconds, feeling for different areas that are tight. If she feels a little nodule, she feels a little tightness in there, she's going to go ahead and extend the toe, extending the knee out straight in front. That's going to get in deeper into the muscle. All right, from there, she could do that 5, 8, 10 times, depending on how tight it is. You want to see if you can release that muscle. From there, she's going to bring that knee back into a 90 degree, and she's going to lift the ankle to the ceiling. Now, she has really good hip mobility, so she can get in a little deeper on this. Give this a try, trying to release some of that tightness that you have in that adductor.